In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the wallpaper on iOS 26 on your iPhone. The easiest way, and the way I always do it, is I go to the settings. In the main settings area, scroll down until you see wallpaper. Tap on that, and then we see various wallpapers that have been created. If you haven't created any, you're going to see one here that says new. Just tap on this little plus right here. And then we have all kinds of options for setting wallpapers. Up at the top, we can choose photos, photo shuffle, emojis, color, astronomy, weather. If we scroll down, we can see examples. There's lots of different options for wallpapers. And since you can use photos for your wallpaper, you can pretty much create whatever you want. A lot of these options also have multiple things you can choose. Astronomy is a good example, because if we tap on that, we see the Earth, but how do you pick other stuff for the wallpaper? You just swipe, and now it shows the moon, and then the moon in detail, and then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, solar system. It would be really cool if these moved, but they don't. This is the last one for our astronomy options. We can add widgets that appear on the home screen if you want. You can edit the clock in various ways, edit the date in various ways. You can choose which options you have down here. By default, I believe it's flashlight and camera. Those are the ones I always have there as well, but you can take them off. You can change them if you want. So if you're happy with a wallpaper that you found here, tap on Add at the top. You can set it as wallpaper paired, meaning on the lock screen and your home screen, or you can customize just the home screen. I'm going to set it as both. And now this is set as the current wallpaper. So if I come out of here, we see our solar system in the back. If I lock the phone, we see it there as well. And it would be super cool if the planets actually orbited the sun, but maybe in the future. And that's how you add wallpapers to your iPhone, iOS 26. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Really helps the channel. And then check out the video on your screen right now, which will show you how to add any song as a ringtone on your phone. Check that out, and I'll see you there.